Hi everyone and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of Incredibles 2 and I can't believe it's almost been 14 years since the first movie was released. It was so awesome and I've been looking forward to working on this. I knew I wanted to work on something and I thought it'd be really fun to draw a comic panel with the logo in the background and the characters overlapping it. I chose to use a Copic Multiliner SP0.03 for all of the outlines. Then for the colouring I used a mixture of Copic markers and Prismacolor pencils, so for their skin tones I used colours like pinkish white, pale heath, pale grape and light grape. Then for their suits I used bright colours like crimson and honey and cadmium yellow, and I tried to add lots and lots of bright colouring. I also added highlighting with a mixture of white Prismacolor pencils, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uni-Ball white ink pen. And I really hope you enjoy watching this time-lapse. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was so fun to draw these characters, adding all the bright colours to them and to the background with the logo. So please be sure to let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.